Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix that your VIVO TWS 3E so quiet. Firstly, I recommend it to remove ear tips from your earbuds and clean the grill. You can use a brush, toothbrush, or maybe you have a cleaning tool. By the way, this channel will have a video how to clean this earbud, so you can check it if you don't know how. Next one, if you have this problem only with one earbud, we can change volume balance. First I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find the correct way. So on your iPhone, open settings and you need to go to accessibility, but located under the general settings. Then scroll down and in the hearing we have audio and visual. Tap at this line, then scroll down and right here we have audio balance. Now if you have this problem with the right earbud, you need to move the slider to the right. Now we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And if you use 100% on the right earbud, you will totally mute your left earbud. It's the same with left one. If you have the problem with the left one, just move this dot to the right, to the left. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings and you need to find accessibility. I have stock Android and on my phone it's located at the bottom. Enter accessibility and right here we need to also scroll down and find audio adjustment, what I also have at the bottom. Tap at this line and right here we have volume balance. If you have this problem with your left earbud, you can move this dot to the left earbud. And now we increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And if I use 100% on the left earbud, I will totally mute my right earbud. If you have this problem with the right earbud, just move this slider, this dot to the right earbud. And if the volume balance also didn't help you, or because it's not like fully fixed, it just can help you with it, maybe you need to contact customer service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!